Hey there, it's your boy Brandon's Tech back at it with another video here. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the ActiveTrack on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It is currently kind of about to rain, 15-mile-per-hour winds. So we'll see how the DJI Mini 4 Pro does today. So let's get to it. Okay, what's up guys? We are back. I'm going to take this off. What's good? What's cooking? Alright, it's up in the air. It started to rain on me, but we're gonna continue. So, let me show you guys how to actually activate the ActiveTrack. So I'm gonna fly this over here. Oh boy, hold on. Let me pop it out of sport mode here. Hold on. There you go. All right. So make sure it's in normal mode. What's good? All right. So you want to make a box on the screen. You want to highlight whatever you're trying to track. For example, it's me that I want to highlight. So, but yeah, the first thing you see here is the spotlight feature, which it just kind of, the camera just kind of follows you. The drone don't move. You can move it if you want though, but like there, I just moved it. But the camera is just following you right now. That's all. That's what the spotlight mode do. The next thing is the POI feature. This does a lap around you, so that's what that does. I'm gonna demonstrate here real quick. I'm gonna have it go fast. So, like there you go. What's up? It's doing a beautiful lap around myself, and it's doing it pretty fast. So, that's whenever you're trying to get like a shot of like a building or something, I don't know, house. That's when you use this feature. But the next feature is, of course, what you guys have been waiting for. Don't stop. Oh, there you go. All right. Next feature is ActiveTrack. This is brand new. DJI has just added this to the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So I'm gonna be showing you today. I'm gonna be using the manual mode. The parallel mode just kind of follows you in a parallel. Like right there, it's following me parallel. And then I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna do manual mode so I can show you guys. That brings up the little menu on the side. I can have it go in front of me. And look there, it's gonna fix itself. Little bug. But I'm gonna have it go in front of me here. There's a tree right there, and it's surprisingly taking care of it. But yeah, what's up, guys? Right here, I'm gonna have it go right. Oh no, right in front of me. Yeah, right there. How's everyone doing? Welcome back. Just you guys know what to do. But smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. You can have it go to the right side of you. I will also be demonstrating the vehicle function. You can see we have the Polaris. Oh no, it's not. I want it in ActiveTrack. We have the Polaris up there, and I'm gonna show you guys how the ActiveTrack works with the car. So let's go up there. Let me run up on hip here, and let me close this tailgate. And we'll be on our way. Well, good thing is it stopped raining, so that's a plus. All right. Where is it at? It's over there somewhere. All right. Oh, there it is. All right. I'm gonna tell it to come over here. All right. So same thing for a car. You want to draw a big box on it, like that. And I'm gonna do go. And it's basically the same thing as following a person. It's just in a car, you gotta be going kind of slow because the drone does not go that fast in normal mode. In sports mode, you gotta be really careful because there's a possibility where you could possibly even crash the drone due to like a tree or something. So you always got to be careful when you're doing that. But that's the tracking mode on the vehicle. Let me tell it to go to the left. There you go. Now it's on the left side of me. But yeah, that's how the ActiveTrack works on the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Man, I gotta say, you guys have been killing it on the last 3 videos. I appreciate all the likes, all the views, all the comments. I am always commenting back on you guys' videos, on your guys' comments. Oh my God, I'm having a hard time struggling here. But yeah, I'm always gonna be checking out in the comments section. So if you have any questions, drop them down. I also have one more thing to tell you guys, and then you guys will be set free. I'm gonna be doing a obstacle avoidance test, and it's gonna be pretty good. I'll tell you guys that. We're gonna be. Let me bring this down. Hold on, just so you guys can see me a little bit better. We're gonna be doing the ultimate test. We're gonna be going through trees, seeing how the drone performs, and just honestly pushing it to its max potential. But if you guys really want to watch that video, I need this video to hit 1,000 likes, and I will drop that video as soon as we hit 1,000 likes. And I have another question. Do you guys think we'll make it to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year? Comment down below, hit that like button, let me know. But I'll catch ya on the next one. Peace. Laters.